A doc's property data exists in two places, on the Properties tab and on the control bar. The Properties tab contains the data fields that identify, classify, and locate a doc in the database. The name you give a doc must be unique within the folder where the doc is going to be stored. Like all fields in DocSavy, a doc's name is searchable, so use keywords to identify the doc's contents. The reference number is a system-generated identifier that is unique to a doc in the whole database. It contains the ID number of the folder which contains the doc, the code for the doc's type, and a sequential ID number for that doc type in that folder. Every doc must be of a type. Unless the doc is of a type listed in the drop-down menu, use the default doc type that is named after its respective class. When using the default doc class, make sure that the doc name includes the type of doc you are creating. The username field displays the name of the user who created the doc. The created field displays the date the doc was created. It cannot be edited. The user date, on the other hand, is by default populated with the same date as the created field, but you can change it to any date you'd like. This field could be used to record the date on the document being added to the database, or the date of an appointment. Each company can set their own guidelines for use of this field. The company, division, department, and folder fields show the location of the doc. They can only be modified when you are creating a doc, not editing it. If the doc was created by using the right-click menu in the navigation tree, the location will be set to the folder that was selected. To clear a doc's current location, press the Clear Location button. To choose a doc's location, press the Choose Location button. A pop-up menu will appear with a tree viewer. Locate the folder you want to select and hit OK. The Shared checkbox enables the doc to be viewed by users assigned to other departments on that folder. The control bar contains the status combo box and additional features. Statuses are created by the system administrator when doc types are created. Statuses can indicate where a doc is in its business lifecycle. To the right are the chat buttons. These are used for adding chat items to a doc. The blue paperclip is the Add Attachment button. It allows you to add files from your computer or scanner to a doc. If you decide that you do not want to save a doc that you are working on, you can click the Cancel button to exit out of the editor. A pop-up menu will appear, notifying you of any unsaved changes. This will appear anytime you perform an action that may result in the loss of any unsaved data. For example, if you have a doc open in the editor and close the doc editor, or even the whole DocSavy application, this pop-up will prevent the closing of the window and the accidental loss of any data. The Save button will save the doc into the database and return you to view mode. Notice that the Save and Cancel buttons have been replaced with the Edit button.